Hello. Welcome to the Basics of C Programming course. Are you ready to learn one of the most popular programming languages, C? This course will help you grasp the core concepts and build a strong foundation in programming. The best part? The original price of this course, with a 40% discount from Udemy, is around €12, but you can get it for free with a 100% discount. To get started, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. After that, click on the relevant link to visit the desired page. Make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly to be directed to the correct page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, there are various categories. Choose the relevant category to find the course you're looking for. On the opened page, the courses within the selected category are displayed, including our desired course. By clicking on its link, we are directed to the course's dedicated page. The course page will open, containing information about the course, available discounts, and the expiration date. Be sure to check the discount expiration date. To access the discount, simply scroll down the page. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. How did I get this 100% free course? As you saw, I was able to grab this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com. But this discount is not permanent and will only be available for the next 4 days. Don't miss out. After 4 days, this amazing discount will be gone. So hurry up and grab this valuable course for free right now. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our future free and educational videos. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. And if you think this video could help others, don't forget to share it.